Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update. First of all, going down here, this area right here is in association with Hurricane Beryl, which made landfall as a Category 1 hurricane in southeastern Texas this morning, so Beryl did in fact make landfall as a Category 1 hurricane this morning, so we have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that covers parts of southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Louisiana, and east central Texas, far east central Texas. So here we have an enhanced risk for severe weather today, and again associated with Hurricane Beryl. And we have a slight risk for severe weather today that covers parts of eastern Texas, southwestern Arkansas, and western Louisiana. So. And we have a margin that covers, that surrounds it, that covers parts of eastern Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, most of Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, south central Illinois, extreme southwestern Kentucky, western Tennessee, central Louisiana, and western Mississippi. So, going back here, we have a margin risk today that covers southwestern Texas. So, going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 10% chance of an isolated tornado today that covers far southwestern Arkansas, east central Texas, far east central Texas, and northwestern Louisiana. So, and we have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that covers parts of eastern Texas, southwestern Arkansas, and western Louisiana. And we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that covers parts of eastern Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, most of Arkansas, south central Missouri, far western Mississippi, and central Louisiana. So, again, that is in association with Hurricane Beryl. Going over to the wind, we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher. One of the areas that we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today covers southeastern Missouri, south central Illinois, southwestern Kentucky, southeastern Oklahoma, most of Arkansas, western Tennessee, eastern Texas, pretty much, most of Louisiana, and far western Mississippi. So, and going back here, we also have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher in southwestern Texas. So, going to the hail threat for today, we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that covers southwestern Texas. So, going over to the summary, several tornadoes will be possible today in association with Tropical Cyclone Beryl. Oops, don't make this updated, but I'm finished with the risks anyway. As far as individual risks, I'm done with that for right now. But anyway, I'm just reading the summary. Several tornadoes will be possible today in association with Tropical Cyclone Beryl from far east Texas into northwest Louisiana and far southwest Arkansas. Hail and gusty winds will also be possible in far west Texas. So, now going to the day 2 outlook for... We're going to the day 2 outlook now. We have two areas where we have a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow. One area where we have a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow that covers southeastern Missouri, southeastern Illinois, southern Indiana, southwestern Ohio, most of Kentucky, far northeastern Arkansas, and northwestern Tennessee. Going up here, we have a margin risk tomorrow that covers far southeastern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, extreme southwestern Maine, most of Massachusetts, most of Connecticut, and most of Rhode Island. So, going to a tornado threat for tomorrow, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that covers southeastern Missouri, southeastern Illinois, southern Indiana, southwestern Ohio, most of Kentucky, far northeastern Arkansas, and northwestern Tennessee. So, we have 2 areas tomorrow where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher. We have one that covers southeastern Missouri, southeastern Illinois, southern Indiana, southwestern southwestern Ohio, most of Kentucky, far northeastern Arkansas, and northwestern Tennessee. Another area where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher tomorrow that covers far southeastern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, far southwestern Maine, most of Massachusetts, most of Connecticut, and most of Rhode Island. So, going to the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that covers far southeastern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, extreme southwestern Maine, most of Massachusetts, most of Connecticut, most of Rhode Island. So, the summary for tomorrow indicates isolated strong to severe storms may produce a few damaging winds or tornadoes across portions of the Mid-South into the Ohio Valley tomorrow, Tuesday. A few instances of hail or strong wind gusts are also possible over portions of New England. So, that's all I got for today. So, stay safe in the affected areas both today and tomorrow, and follow all warnings and watches both today and tomorrow. So, stay safe in the affected areas both today and tomorrow, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.